Hello, this is the summary of both the 8th and the 9th weeks of my dev streams. And this one will be different because I'm sick and it will be kind of difficult to talk about everything, so we'll wrap it up quickly this time. B, because the first day that I would talk about was like 2 weeks ago, and I can't remember what I virtually have done that day. And I forgot to download the VOD from Twitch of that stream, so one day is missing. See, I'm simply late, and I had a tough week. I was sick on Sunday so much that I couldn't speak in a coherent way or something like a summary. And so I'm recording this on Monday at 17. It's almost 18 actually. 17:48. And I actually canceled the stream today. uh, and D, I genuinely think there's nothing worth mentioning in like chapter-wise description. So yeah, this time we'll do it really short and wrap it up fast. So before that, just the usual reminder, which actually will be different. So I will no longer stream on Wednesdays, and in general, this schedule might change in the future. For now, I'm sticking with doing streams on Monday and Friday at 15, or later, or earlier, or whenever. We'll see how it goes. It's getting dark already at 15. Saturday will remain as it usually is, that is 19 or 20. So whatever I decide on, it will be informed on my Discord, link in description. And so let's get to this summary. So let's quickly wrap it up. So in short, I was actually working on implementing the pathfinding once I got the grid, and the result for now is that I have the finder class filled with methods for calculating the macropaths, the micropaths. All of that is still work in progress in terms of actual usage of the data and strategy and whatever. For now, it's just a simple A star, and it doesn't yet discriminate whether a cell is grounded or not. And also, I've laid some bare groundwork for a dummy kind of enemy. For now, all of it is still work in progress, and all the parts are very loose, and all of that is waiting to be cleaned up properly. So yeah, that was the summary. Again, really short this time, but I'd ask for forgiveness because, again, I'm sick. I don't remember a lot. And also, the last week just wrecked me totally. So, yeah, hopefully the next time it'll be better. So, yeah. See ya. Take care of yourself. Winter is coming. Stay warm and see ya next time.